In some more breaking news that we're tracking at this point, Congress is all set to raise the issue of political crisis that's unfolding in Uttarakhand in the parliament today. Remember, this is the first day of the second half of the budget session, which is starting today in parliament. And we are also getting a reaction from a leader of the opposition in Rajya Sabha. Okay, we will try and play out that reaction in just a bit, but this was anyway going to be a stormy budget session for the government, because the political crisis in Uttarakhand as it's unfolding was going to be taken up strongly by various opposition parties.
दो मुद्दे, बहुत सारे मुद्दे हैं, लेकिन दो मुद्दों के बारे पर हमने नोटिस दिया है। एक तो पूरे देश में जो सूखा है और उस पानी की कमी है, जिसके कारण पूरे देश त्राही कर रहा है, और विशेष रूप से महाराष्ट्र के अंदर, मराठवाड़ा के अंदर, विदर्भा के अंदर जिस तरह से पानी की किल्लत है, कमी है, उसके लिए गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया ने क्या किया, एक तो हमने उस पर नोटिस दिया है और मुझे पूरा विश्वास है कि सरकार उस पर चर्चा करने को मानेगी। और दूसरा बड़ा विषय जो आजकल छाया है पिछले एक हफ्ते से, बल्कि एक महीने से, वह है उत्तराखंड का, कि किस तरह से केंद्रीय सरकार ने एक चुनी हुई राज्य सरकार को 2 दफा राष्ट्रपति शासन वहां लगाया और वहां की इलेक्टेड गवर्नमेंट को गिराकर अपनी गवर्नमेंट स्थापित करने, बीजेपी की गवर्नमेंट स्थापित करने का प्रयास किया। ये बहुत बड़ा विषय है, न सिर्फ उत्तराखंड के लिए बल्कि लोकतंत्र के लिए पूरे देश की। ये मुद्दे रहेंगे।
Today only we want to take up this Uttarakhand issue. Other issues will be taken one by one after meeting, parliamentary party meeting. So today we will concentrate only on Uttarakhand issue.
So the government is signaling that they will not allow any discussion on Uttarakhand. The matter is sub judice, while the other issues that the Aam Aadmi Party has put forward is that of drought. Sir, if the BJP government tries to stop you from having this discussion of destabilizing governments in states, in Arunachal also for that matter, sir, how would Congress progress ahead?
Well, let us see, because after all, Speaker has to decide all these things. It is our duty to pressurize, because the democracy is in peril, and if democracy survives, everything will be discussed in the parliament. When the government wants to kill the democratic spirit and if they act anti-constitution, then where is the question of other issues discussing? All other issues are also important. Drought is important. Drinking water is important. Everything is important. But the most important to safeguard the constitution and democracy. That's why we want to take this issue.